Who is your biggest inspiration in the film industry? With whom you wish to romance on screen?
Oh, with everybody. With everybody. Bring it on. I'd love to meet Michael Jackson. Some people still say he's alive. So, Shah Rukh Khan, what he's been able to do over so many years and decades. I was a huge Akshay Kumar fan growing up.
One thing you love about Bollywood?
Oh, interesting. I'd love to play Yuvraj Singh. Sometimes I feel like हम सिर्फ heroes की biopic बनाते हैं. What about those guys who just didn't make it? उनकी biopic भी interesting होगी ना?
First thing that you'll do if you'll be wake up as Shah Rukh, Salman and Amir.
I wouldn't believe myself. Call all the producers in the business and say, guys.
हेलो हाय आदाब नमस्कार सत श्री अकाल। आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं बॉलीवुड बबल और मेरा नाम है अविनाश पाल। मेरे साथ मौजूद है द वेरी अमेजिंग साकिब सलीम। आई डू हैव सम रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस।
Go for it, bhai.
Okay, so first one is if you could play any historical figure, who would it be?
I'd love to play Nehru.
Nehru. Okay.
Jawaharlal Nehru. I think it'll be an interesting character to play.
What's the last movie you watched?
Last movie I watched Singham again.
Okay. Who is your biggest inspiration in the film industry?
Lots of people, yaar. Shah Rukh Khan, what he's been able to do over so many years and decades. I was a huge Akshay Kumar fan growing up, so Akshay sir is a great inspiration, and I find inspiration in my sister. I see how she gets up every day and hustles every day and tries to do what she wants to do, so that's very inspiring.
Okay. With whom you wish to romance on screen?
Oh, with everybody. With everybody. Bring it on. With everybody.
Okay. What's your pre-shoot ritual?
Pre-shoot ritual, I meditate for about 10-15 minutes. There's a select music when I'm shooting on those days I listen to get into the zone that I have to create something, and have lots of coffee, and I keep reading the same scene over and over again, and I have a diary which is filled with notes that I keep referring to.
Okay.
That's
one thing you love about Bollywood.
That it is about movies, and I love movies. I've grown up on movies. Yeah, I remember going to a single screen as a 10-year-old and watching these guys come alive in front of me. So I'm a die-hard lover of the movies. So yeah.
Okay. If you could have dinner with any three people, dead or alive, who would they be?
Oh, interesting. I'd love to meet Michael Jackson. I think some people still say he's alive. So I'd love to meet Michael Jackson. I'd love to have a meal with Virat Kohli because I love how he plays. And
The audition.
yeah, that connection also. And can I make it four?
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan and Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Lovely.
Like I want to just pick their brains. कैसे सोचते कैसे हैं यार आप? क्या सोचते हो जब आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है? So those two for sure.
Okay. Last thing that you Googled.
Reviews of Citadel.
Okay. What's the best gift you ever received?
This love that I'm getting for the show, it's really heartwarming. Waking up to my DMs filled and my WhatsApp having these long messages from people. So I think I'm very happy with this.
If you could star in a biopic, whose life would you want to portray?
Interesting. I'd love to play Yuvraj Singh. I think that's an inspirational story, and I have this great connect with cricket. I would. I'd love to. Sometimes I feel like हम सिर्फ heroes की biopic बनाते हैं. What about those guys who just didn't make it? उनकी biopic भी interesting होगी ना?
Unsung heroes or
Unsung heroes or something. Like I really enjoyed the story of Chandu Champion. The guy was this unsung hero that nobody knew of, and when you saw his journey, you're like, oh damn, he did so much, and still we don't know about him. And imagine the amount of people who were there. हम सिर्फ heroes की बताते हैं ना, जो दुनिया की नज़र में zeros होते हैं उनकी कहानी नहीं बताते. So I would love to find like a gem like that. Yeah.
तो प्रोड्यूसर भी है,
कोशिश
actor
कर
भी
रहे हैं
है।
सर, कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लगे हुए हैं, कुछ ना कुछ तो निकालेंगे ही पिटारे से।
निकालेंगे। ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू विल डू इफ यू विल बी wake up as Shahrukh, Salman and Amir.
I wouldn't believe myself. First, if I would be Shah Rukh Khan, I would call all the producers in the business and say, guys, any film I do, you should take this guy called Saqib Salim with me. That's the deal.
Okay, Salman and Amir.
Same man, same. Of course, I want to work with everybody. Why not?
And what if Mahendra Singh Dhoni or Virat Kohli wake up as?
Then I should make sure that I call all the IPL owners and say, you know, the next player you need in your team is this guy. IPL auctions are right around the corner.
Yes. Thank you, Saqib. You literally nailed the section and the interview.
Thank you, brother.
So,
it was lovely to chat with you.
Same है. And all
Thank
the very
you.
best for upcoming projects. हम ऐसे ही मिलते रहें, आप ऐसे ही काम करते रहें. And that's it. Thank you for the बातचीत.
Thank you, man. Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Thank you.